Hey, what's up? This is how to connect your laptop to any TP-Link Wi-Fi router and check if everything is working. So first of all, make sure your router is up and running and you have the solid LED next to the internet icon. And then face the back panel of your router. You have one internet input here and a few Ethernet outputs. If there are no speed labels next to them, it means they are all the same and you can use any. And if there is a speed label somewhere here, you pretty much want to use the fastest port. So you need the Ethernet cable and plug in one end into the Ethernet port on your router. And the other end of this cable you need to plug into the LAN port in your laptop. Maybe you don't have a LAN port. In this case, you need to use USB to LAN adapters, but I have the LAN port. So now what we can see here, let me show you. Right here in the right side of the taskbar there was a Wi-Fi icon, but now it's replaced with another icon, which means you are connected by wire. If you click on this icon, you see the normal menu you get used to, and you can turn off Wi-Fi here and try to access the internet now. Let's say Amazon.com. Everything works, and now you can go to control panel and get the connection details from there. Of course, on Mac computers you need to make your way to this menu by yourself, because I run in Windows. So click on network and internet, view network status and task. Here you can see that you are connected via Ethernet. Click on the Ethernet word right here. And in this menu you can click on details. Here is your connection details. The most important for now is your default gateway. So you can use this default gateway to access the router settings. You may need this if you have Wi-Fi connection problems, so you can connect your router by wire and access your router's settings. And that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and be awesome. Bye, guys.